And all. I am from 7th A1. My name is K. Vivekavardhini. These all are my friends Moksha, Tanushka, and Aharka. We are from Getanjali English Medium School. Today we tell about a small conversation on teacher and student. The bell is ringing. Class is about to start. Could you let's hurry up? Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine. Thank you, teacher.
Yes, this is good. I am see you again.
Teacher, may I open the window?
Certain. It is very hot in our classroom.
Excuse me, madam. May I get in?
Please come in.
Thank you, ma'am. I am sorry from late.
Oh, no problem. Please take your seats. Who can tell me what is today? Please raise your hand. Tanushka, please stand up.
Today is Monday.
Oh, very good. Sit. Who can tell me what is today date? Moksha, stand up.
Today date is 2/2/2026.
Oh, very good, Moksha. All are finished your homework?
We did, madam.
Oh, okay. Check up. Open your textbook, page number 20. We learn a text.
Teacher, may I ask you a question?
Yes, confirm.
What is this word?
Please you read an
Environment.
ENVIRONMENT.
Thank you, teacher.
Could you come over my place
And in the afternoon and play Coco.
Yes, I could love it.
Great, I can see. See you later.
Thank you. Thank you to all.